everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Obsessive Chicks. I've got a little conversation, off topic, kind of weird, but on topic, about the Bird Box movie with Sandra Bullock. Now, that was a weird movie. I love all sorts of sci-fi. I'm a kind of a movie person, so I love movies. But the ending of it, and I'm not going to put out there what it was, make your own opinions on the movie, but I wanted to bring up the scenario of people being stuck in a house without any food. What are you going to do? And do I believe any way, shape, form, or size that that scenario would ever happen? I'm just going to put it off. Absolutely not. Do I believe in zombie apocalypse? Absolutely not. So we're in the 21st century and our governments are all, the United States, other governments, warfare. Do I believe that they are concocting all sorts of things? Absolutely. We know nuclear bombs, that kind of threat. But do I believe in a zombie apocalypse? No. Do I believe in the Bird Box? No. But I do believe in earthquakes, hurricanes, tsunamis. I believe in volcanoes erupting. I believe in, more than anything, loss of job. Loss of job. So going back to the Bird Box movie, you've got a group of people, I don't want to give the whole, spectrum of the movie out, but you've got a group of people that are living in a house and trying to survive without any kind of preps. Can you do that? Can you, loss of electricity? In New York City, we just watch all those transformers blow up. Houses without electricity. Can you survive a winter without electricity? Not even a winter. Can you survive a week or a couple days? Can you provide food for your family? I have got countless comments on every one of my videos where people say, well, they're going to come get your stuff. Government's going to come get your food and your preps. People are going to revolt and break into your house. And yeah, they could. Am I prepared for it? Well, I'll probably lose my life over trying to protect my family, but in that scenario, I'm not that kind of person. Never been, never will be. I'm not going to lie down and say, well, these things can happen and I'm not going to protect my family. I'm not going to feed my family. Look how comments over and over and over again of, why do you prep? Why do you do this? Well, you know what? You can be that person during a hurricane, afterwards, Katrina, where people are scrambling into a grocery store trying to get food. Hundreds of thousands of people trying to go into grocery stores, get food, and you're going to be out there with them, and you're going to be fighting back and forth. I'd rather be in my house, let you come to my house. I'm not going to be out in the street and got shot. So if that's your choice, that's your choice. I'm just telling you what is good for me, what I feel comfortable with. And so going back again to the Bird Box movie, people sitting in their house, can you feed yourself? And just simple things, canned food, tuna, you've got chili, soups. Watch my previous videos. I will show you the different things that we prep. Things like water, not just water bottles, and here's the comments going, is it BPA free? Yes, I try to make sure my stuff's BPA free, but I'm pretty sure Walking Dead, people are sitting there dying of thirst. Do you care when you come across a bottle if it's BPA free when you're in that situation? No, I'm going to pick this sucker up and I'm going to chug it. Chemicals in my water is not going to be my main concern at that point. So those comments, go ahead and throw around. Lighting. Do you have lighting for your house? Electricity goes out. I've done a video on solar lights. If you want to watch it, that link is going to be down below. I've had comments about why take this and put it in a mason jar. That's what my video is about. Well, if you try to stand this up on a kitchen counter, ain't going to work. So I show you what to do with a mason jar. Something else that I do, I come across little containers, and I have these out in my backyard. And they're always in the sun, and so I go outside and I've got a beautiful lit up backyard without any electricity. I take the bottom off. I try to find lights that have glass because they cast better, or put them in your mason jars. But a simple container like this, I put that in and I have a beautiful container that provides light without any electricity. In a situation where the power goes out in Arizona and or dust storms, it goes out quite a bit. Bring this inside, sit it on my counter, and I've got seldom about, and we have electricity, not electricity, but we have lights. Something to think about. Foods, freeze-dried, dehydrated. Whatever you've got, if it's freeze-dried or dehydrated, we all know with dehydrated, you have to have enough water, a water source, to rehydrate these. Freeze-dried is a lot less water, but it's more expensive to do. And do I have a freeze-dried machine? No, they're a couple $1,000s, and I would love to have one, but I can dehydrate and do what I want, and the things that I want freeze-dried, I go ahead and purchase in the number 10 cans and put in my preps. So, you know, do you have meats? Do you have food? Do you have enough preps to take care of your family? And this is my own personal decision of what I'm doing. I have this channel out to help the people out there that are interested in prepping or even homesteading. Simple things like, can you crochet? Can you mend? Can you take care of the things around your house if you no longer can go out and purchase these things? So I'm a huge YouTuber fan. I repair my own refrigerator. I repaired my dryer and washer when the motors went out. And, you know, helping each other learn how to get away from this buy and toss society has gotten gross. And, you know, if I believe anything that's going to doom us, that'll doom us. You know, we need to know how to repair the things that are in our everyday lives. So I watched the Bird Box movie, and it spurred this thought in my head of people, and plus the comments that have popped up. And yes, I'm a survivalist. I will be out there, and you know, all these comments that people are going to come take it away. I don't believe it. I don't believe our military. I don't believe our police force, our husbands that are out there working and protecting us are going to all of a sudden just revolt against its people. And so I'm not in fear of that so much. You know, simple things like matches, lighters, just all the things that make a well-rounded prep, and medical supplies. So I've got other videos out there that if you want to watch them, Bird Box spurred this thought in my head, and plus all the comments that I've had of people saying, you know, why do you prep? They're going to come get your preps. And you know, that instance, I'm watching that movie, and they're sitting in that house, and they've got to go out to the dang grocery store because they're starving to death. They have no more supplies. And I don't want that to happen to my family or the friends that I have near and dear to me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it answered some questions, and zombie apocalypse, that kind of doomsday. Love to watch it, but I do not believe in it. So anyways, we got a puppers up here, down here. My grandson. This is why I prep. I prep to feed my family, take care of everybody. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So anyways, this is what I'm going to take care of. This is who I'm going to protect, my family. And, you know, y'all can do whatever you want, but we hope you enjoyed this video. It's just the thought that went through my head while I was watching the movie. If you liked our videos, please subscribe. If you want to be notified for future videos, hit the bell. And we hope you have a blessed day.
Happy New Year!